Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on daily basis. Today's topic: commonly asked Excel interview questions and answers. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, etc. How do you open Excel? You can open Excel by searching for it in the Start menu, Windows or Finder, macOS, and clicking on the application icon. In Excel, what is a workbook? A workbook is a file used to store Excel data. It contains one or more worksheets where you can enter and manipulate data. How do you create a new workbook in Excel? To create a new workbook, you can go to the File menu, select New, and then choose Blank Workbook. What is a worksheet? A worksheet is a single spreadsheet within a workbook. It consists of cells organized in rows and columns where you can enter and manipulate data. How do you add a new worksheet to a workbook? You can add a new worksheet by clicking the plus icon next to an existing worksheet tab, or by right-clicking on a tab and selecting Insert. What is a cell in Excel? A cell is the intersection of a row and a column in a worksheet. It is the basic unit where you enter data and perform calculations. How do you select a cell? You can select a cell by clicking on it with your mouse or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate to the desired cell. How do you enter data into a cell? To enter data into a cell, you can click on the cell and start typing. Press Enter to confirm the entry and move to the next cell. How do you edit the content of the cell? You can edit the contents of a cell by double-clicking on it or by selecting it and typing over the existing content. What are the different types of data in Excel? Excel supports various types of data, including numbers, text, dates, times, formulas, and hyperlinks. How do you format data in Excel? You can format data in Excel using the Format Cells dialog box, which allows you to adjust the appearance of numbers, text, dates, etc. How do you format numbers as currency in Excel? To format numbers as currency, you can select the cells containing the numbers, go to the Home tab and choose the currency format from the number group. How do you apply a border to a cell in Excel? You can apply a border to a cell by selecting the cell or range of cells, going to the Home tab and clicking the border icon in the font group. How to merge cells in Excel? To merge cells in Excel, select the cells you want to merge, go to the Home tab, click the Merge and Center drop-down and choose Merge Cells. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.